1. Lesson 7. Working worms. Many people think that silk is the finest cloth of all. Just touching silk can be a surprise because it is so soft. Even more surprising is the fact that silk is made by special worms. If you visit a silk farm, you would see two things: worms and trees. Silkworms eat only the leaves of mulberry trees, so rows and rows of these trees grow on silk farms. On some farms, the leaves are hand-picked. Workers gather leaves from whole branches at once. In other places, machines do the work. The farmers chop the leaves. Then they feed them to their worms. 1. Silk is a type of very fine A. worm, B. tree, or C. cloth. 2. At a silk farm, there are worms and A. spiders, B. cows, or C. trees. 3. Silkworms eat only A. silk cloth, B. mulberry leaves, or C. apple trees. On some farms, the leaves are A. hand-picked, B. cooked in pots, or C. left on trees. Silkworms do nothing but sleep and eat. They grow very quickly. As the worms grow, they shed their skin 4 times. The old skin splits and falls off. After so much work, the worms are ready to change into moths. Each worm spins a single long thread around and around itself. This new home is called a cocoon. The thread of each cocoon is as thin as a spider web. The farmers steam and dry the cocoons, then the dry cocoons go to a silk making plant. There, the threads are spun into silk yarn. The yarn will be made into soft cloth that feels like a cloud. 5. A silkworm grows A. quickly, B. smaller, or C. slowly. 6. A silkworm's skin splits and A. gets smaller, B. comes off, or C. becomes wet. 7. The thread of each cocoon is A. thin, B. fat, or C. red. 8. Silk cloth is very A. rough, B. tight, or C. soft.